Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, we're going to talk about how to set spending alerts in Nerdwallet. Do you want a heads up before you blow past your budget? Here's how you can set spending alerts in Nerdwallet to keep your finances in check before it's too late. First, log into your account at nerdwallet.com, and then from the dashboard, go to the budget section and then click on alerts or head to notification settings. Here, you're going to see several alert options. Just find the one that's labeled spending alerts or budget thresholds. Click customize alerts. Now select the category that you want to track closely. For example, it could be groceries, dining, entertainment, or transportation. For each category, you can go ahead and set a threshold, usually a percentage of your budget like 80%, 90%, or it could be 100%. This means Nerdwallet will notify you when your spendings reaches that point. You can also choose how you want to be alerted. It could be email notifications, mobile push alerts, or you could choose to do both. Once your alert preferences are saved, Nerdwallet will automatically monitor your spendings and send you real-time updates when you're nearing your set limits. It's a powerful way to stay informed and avoid accidental overspending, especially during busy weeks or unexpected expenses. Set it and forget it. Nerdwallet's got your back. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more Nerdwallet tutorials that make smart spending effortless and stress-free. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.